Doug, what's that over there?
Lava.
Oh my goodness, it's the Kraken. It's a volcano. 2, 3, 4. Come on. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano. Come on, everybody.
Welcome to this special edition of Real Orange. Mark Wood, we're glad to have you with us, Mark. And you have opened for Jimmy Buffett, is that right?
Yeah, we did the Verizon Amphitheater and did the pre-show out there, which was pretty fun. Right before we were getting ready to go on, we got a call. Robert Greenwich, who plays steel pan with Jimmy Buffett, he was with Mike Utley, who plays keyboards, and then Mac McAnally. And right before we went on, they said, make sure to Buffetize this crowd, you know. So we...
Cheeseburgers in paradise, making the best of their vegetarian rice. Living on earth with an onion slice. I want a cheeseburger.
Please welcome Mark Wood and the Parrot Head Band.
How are you?
Where exactly did you come up with the name Parrot Head?
Well, Jimmy Buffett's fans are called Parrot Heads, so we figured that'd be a great name for the band.
It works.
There you go.
It does. And people are proud to be Parrot Heads.
Yes, they are. They wear all sorts of garb, and they're ready for the party all the time.
And why a Jimmy Buffett tribute band? Where in your life did you feel the need?
Well, I always have played Jimmy Buffett music, and then a friend of mine in the corporate business said, we need to have a Margaritaville party. Do you have a Jimmy Buffett band? And I said, yes, I do. And that was 13 or 14 years ago.
All of them tourists covered it all. Strumming my six string on my board swing. Smell those shrimp, they're beginning to fall. Them Louisiana shrimp is, that's what I'm talking about. Come on. Wasted